The book is actually divided in two parts. Okay, in the first half, you would almost, like approximately, I'm saying, you will see that E ending words. But how are they kept in a reverse manner of a dictionary? When you follow a dictionary, all of you must be aware of how to look into the dictionary for a word. So when you look for a word in a dictionary, then you look at the first letter, then the next letter, second, third, and so on to see the order, the alphabetical order. But in this book, it's a reverse dictionary. You have to see the ending. So first half of the book has the categories ending with E after these first two chapters when we talk about like distribution and everything, when they actually start with E ending words. Then the dictionary, where the list has started, it started with E ending words. So you have to first see E, then AE, then BE, then CE, then DE. And then sometimes there is a bigger ending with DE. It is ADE where we want to focus. Okay, so it goes like that. And then we have second half of the book in with the words ending with consonants. Okay, so again, consonants, you have to look at the last letter of a word to follow the order. Okay, so let's go ahead on this chapter. We are going to look at the exceptions of the words ending with E forward accent. If you remember that it was taken by Adam, right? Now, there are exceptions. They're not one or two, there are many, but easy to categorize them and easy to keep them in your mind. Okay, and how? This is what we learn in this. Okay, so words ending with a aigu were declared as masculine, but la clé of la CK is that la priorité has to be given to the basic feminine traits of la beauté et l'amitié. Just ignore l'acné. Okay, this statement itself will remind you of all the words that are exceptions to a aigu. Okay, and because there are many exceptions. Okay, but there are only three words in a way that you have to keep in your mind, that la clé, even if it is ending with a aigu, it is feminine. La CK, the psych, is feminine, and l'acné. Okay, l'acné, that is feminine word. Okay, these three words are feminine. And then with these, the other three words that you see, la priorité, la beauté, and l'amitié, we are actually looking at the endings. As you see, the endings are highlighted with pink color. Ite, all words ending with ite. Okay, words ending with te and words ending with tie. So ite, tie, te. Okay, so these words, if they are ending with this, they are feminine. But then please follow the book. There are exceptions to the exceptions, but there are exceptions to the exceptions. Those words are not frequently used, so you do not have to really worry about them. But yes, you do have to follow them. You do have to keep them in your mind. Okay, so there are exceptions, but majority, if you'll see, if you'll observe the list, you will see the majority of them with te, ite, and tie are feminine. Okay, so this is how you will keep, by reading this phrase, you can keep that in your mind. And then there are other ways also I have kept in this page to keep it. You see, this is la devise de la France. You must be aware, all of you who are learning French learners, the first thing that you have to learn is liberté, égalité, fraternité. C'est la devise de la France. Yeah, it's a motto of France: liberty, equality, and fraternity, the friendliness, right? So through that, also you can keep it. So this is la clé de la psyché. This is the key of your psyche: liberty, equality, fraternity. All right. And as you see, you would read here, you can simply keep the devise of France in mind: en toute amitié. Okay. Since we do find te ending words in their motto, and ite also, but we don't have ta. So for that, you can keep friendliness in your mind to keep this motto. Yes, we are friendly with France. Okay, so en toute amitié, in all friendliness. And the head of Marianne, this is the head of Marianne, that is their logo. Okay, the triumph, it shows the triumph of Republic France. Okay, the freedom to the woman, as you would see. Okay, so this is the head of Marianne, and will remind you of the gender of the noun to be in feminine with these words. Okay, so en féminité, and even the word femininity is ite ending, right? And her face is free of acne. There are no acne. Just remember that, right? Easy, cool, isn't it?